Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are honoured to have you with us. Here at Blue Sky Graphics, we are a leading online graphic design school led by industry and expert leading tutors delivering one-to-one online classes. We've been teaching for just over 10 years, enhancing creative curiosities and preparing future graphic designers for the real world. Driven by passion and performance, we are purely dedicated to the art of graphic design. Our website and enrolment registration information can be found at blueskygraphics.co.uk. So here in this video, we're going to be using the Pathfinder palette. The Pathfinder palette is fantastic because using the Pathfinder technique, it's a very useful tool as you can combine paths and divide objects and subtract shapes. It's really handy to master this because it will help you make the vectors look a lot organized, a lot more neater, and will speed up the overall workflow. So you use the Pathfinder panel to combine shapes and to make new ones. And there are some actual cheats or shortcuts for those that find themselves clicking and undoing each icon in the panel until you get the look that you're after. So in this video here, we're cutting shapes out of shapes and we are drawing graphics using the Pathfinder technique. If you do have any questions, please get in touch with us. Thank you and bye-bye.